This how to 1 minute will show you how to change domain name in WordPress website. To change your WordPress website domain name, you have to change your domain. So as you can see, currently this WordPress website domain is new.howto1minute25.com, and now I want to change this domain name to this domain, howto1minute25.com. To do this, you have to open your WordPress dashboard from both of these WordPress. So go to dashboard, and we will install a plugin in both dashboard. Search for WP Vivid, and this is the plugin we are going to install. And activate the plugin. So I want to transfer this WordPress site to this domain. So here I'm in my dashboard and hover over on WP Vivid backup, and here make sure to select database and files, WordPress files. Select here database and files, save backup to local, and click on backup now. Once you backup your WordPress site from your old domain name, now you have to download the backup file. So click on download, again click on download. Once the backup file downloaded, now go to your new domain WordPress dashboard and come to this WP Vivid backup section, and now here scroll down and select upload, and click on select files, and now select the downloaded backup zip file and upload it here. Once your backup file uploaded, it's time to restore it. So click on restore, click on restore. Okay, and it may take some time to restore the website. Open the new domain or new website, and as you can see, my website has been successfully transferred to this new domain. This is how we can change domain name in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.